Hello and welcome. So here in this topic, we are going to talk about digital logic circuits. So what is a digital logic and digital circuits? In that, we are going to talk about the number system. In the number system, there is a very first one that we'll talk about is the decimal number system. Okay. And in the decimal number system, we say that the base of this number system, the base of this number system is 10. So it means there are 10 numbers in this system from 0 to 9. So we'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. So total 10 numbers are there. That's why we say the base of this number system is 10. So for example, we can have any number for this system, which includes the numbers from 0 to 9. If I want to write a value of any number in a decimal system, I can use this formula. What says? It says the nth digit multiplied by in bracket base, which will be 10, raised to the power n minus 1. So let's say I have this number 65. It has a value of 10. From the right side, this position of this number 5 is 0 and position of this 6 is 1. So I'm trying to define their position, and the value of this number can be calculated like I start with nth digit. So nth digit is here. So if it is 6, so I will write 6. So multiplied by base 10, I'm using this formula to the power n minus 1. So n here is 1 minus 1. Okay, so if I wish to find out the value of the number system, for example, let's say I have this number 35 and it has a value, it has a base of 10. So I will use this formula. So the position of this is 1, position of this digit is 2, and so on. So I have got 2 digits and the base is 10. So I will use this formula, nth digit. So it will be nth digit is 3 multiplied by in bracket base is 10, n minus 1. So n is 2 minus 1 plus, now I will write this number 5 multiplied by base 10 to the power, now n is 1 here, minus 1. So it would be 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. So therefore, the value of this would be 3 into 1 plus 5, 3 into 10 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 is 1. So therefore, this is 30 plus 5 equal to 35. Okay, let's have a second example. This one is the second example. Now 6 and 5. So I will write these positions, that is 1, 2, and 3. So my nth digit is now starting from 6, and for this the nth digit is 3. Okay, so I will write for the 6 into 10 to the power 3 minus 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 minus 1. So it would be 6 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. It would be therefore 600 plus 90 plus 5. That equals to 695. So this is how you understand the decimal number system, which has a base of 10, and this is quite popular used in digital number system and in our everyday life use as well. So with that, we stop here and we will talk about the binary number system in the next phase.